Nobody wows clients like we do.
A nice weekend ahead, and Angelica Campos joining us once again. Angelica, I think a lot of people are ready for that.
I think so too. It's been a cool with some clouds on and off. Today it was almost a tease. We started with sunny skies, it felt warmer, and then the clouds were back by the afternoon. So this is what it looks like outside, already pretty hazy out there and even foggy in some parts of the county. Temperatures are back down to 59 degrees with the winds lightly out of the northwest. In comparison to yesterday, it has been warmer, and even at this hour, anywhere from 4 to 6 degrees warmer than yesterday in Poway, Ramona, and about 3 degrees warmer in Chula Vista. We're still in the 60s in Poway, Kearney Mesa, 57 Chula Vista, and also 56 degrees in Carlsbad. But as we look now at the current conditions, you can see that nice flow of clouds coming through. There is a weak disturbance just to our north and a couple of systems that have been traveling just across the Pacific Northwest, spreading a lot of energy over the ocean and, of course, bringing some big swells. We're expecting that to continue. Patchy fog, low visibility. Once again, it'll repeat into tomorrow morning. Offshore winds will clear the skies this weekend, providing sunshine and a gradual warm-up, which will be even more pronounced next week, with temperatures potentially trending 10 to 15 degrees above the normal. And yes, we could see some 80s too. 2.5 miles in Oceanside, 5-mile visibility in Carlsbad. It looks like we're still okay in Kearney Mesa and in Ramona, but coastal communities will be dealing with foggy conditions into tomorrow. As you can see here, the futurecast keeping those clouds and then another veil of clouds most through in the morning, most likely associated with a storm passing to the north. Because of all that stormy pattern happening to the north, a high surf advisory will continue. It has been extended once again. It'll be in effect until Tuesday. Overnight temperatures will be dropping into the mid and low 40s near the coastline, inland communities around 42 between 5 and 7 a.m. Clouds on and off with some patchy fog to start the day and then becoming sunnier. Saturday and Sunday will bring more sunshine with temperatures reaching almost 70 degrees on Sunday. But next week, we're going to have another Santa Ana event, potentially bringing those temperatures into the mid-70s along the coast and 80s likely in our inland communities Wednesday and Thursday. But as you can see, it'll be a gradual warm-up starting this weekend and continuing into next week. That takes us right into the middle of the month. And as I've mentioned it a couple of times, January is typically our wettest month of the winter. And so far, we really haven't seen much in the way of rainfall. We ended the year with rain. We're starting the year very dry, and this dry conditions will continue next week. We could even possibly talk about elevated fire danger. But keeping it in the good news, at least for the near future, we're looking good. Just keep an eye on the roads with low visibility.
Thank you, Angelica. Now, 10 News Times.